It's a dream to be standing here in front of you. I remember the first moment we met. We were at one of my house parties about 10 years ago. And it just wasn't our time yet. But I truly believe that worked out perfectly for us because we developed a friendship first, which then blossomed into love and eventually led us to right here, right now.
In the darkness, our love shines the brightest. When it's hardest, it won't paralyze us. And when it feels like we've lost our way, we may bend, but darling, we will never break.
Into our friendship, we were hanging out at your apartment, and you randomly told me that you were in love with me and gave me a written book of 100 reasons why you love me. I was totally shocked. I stepped back for a few days to digest this confession because I did not want to ruin the friendship that we already had.
It's all for you.
Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody cherishes me like you do. Nobody understands me as good as you do. And nobody puts me first like you do. From that moment forward, we went from being platonic best friends to in a relationship.
Where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger. No,
Never could have imagined myself doing this with anyone else other than you. You inspired me to dream big and never give up. And it's because of you that I truly finally feel safe in my own skin. And although billions of people may not understand this, I only need you to lead this crazy life with me. You have taught me that two people joined together with respect, trust, dedication, discipline, and open communication can be far stronger and happier than each of us could ever be alone.